Are people having trouble hearing you during calls or voice recording? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a built-in diagnostic tool to check whether both microphones are working properly. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under the Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Then tap Phone Diagnostic. Here, find and tap Microphone. If this is your first time running the test, your phone will start checking automatically. If you have tested it before, you will see the previous result instead. Simply tap Test again to run a new test. The first test, check the button microphone, tap Record, say a few words, then tap Play to listen to the recording. If you can hear your voice clearly, tap Yes. Next, your phone will test the top microphone, tap Record, say a few words again, then tap Play. If the recording sounds clear, tap Yes. If both microphones are working properly, the result will show normal along with the status of each microphone. However, if a problem is detected, tap Request a Repair button and then follow the on-screen instruction. And that's how to test your phone microphone on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.